How to fix TikTok following problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check TikTok's follow limit. TikTok imposes limits on how many accounts you can follow in a short period to prevent spam like behavior. Stop following accounts temporarily and wait a few hours before trying it. Follow accounts at a slower rate. Example, no more than 15 or 10 accounts per minute. Next up, verify your TikTok account. For that, launch your TikTok app, navigate to the profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. From this list, head over to the section Account. Click on Account Information and make sure your phone number and email are verified. Likewise, head back. You can log out and log in back to your TikTok account. For that, click on three bars. Navigate to the option Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way down. Click on Log Out. Then wait for a few minutes and then log in back. Likewise, you can also check for the updates for the app TikTok. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok. After the app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. If the solution doesn't work for you, what you have to do is report a problem to the TikTok support team. For that, launch it, navigate to Settings and Privacy, head over to the option Report a Problem. Now scroll down, click on the option Chat with us. Now here you can type in your issue and send it. That you are unable to follow users on TikTok. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. You can have the conversation, and with this, your problem might be resolved. Following the solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.